Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to check whether a given number is a special number or not. What is a special number? A number is said to be special if the sum of the factorial of each digit of the number gives the number itself. Example is 45. If you have not watched the video of factorial, the link is given in the description, you can check it out. This is the program. These are the lines required for input stream reader method. These three lines helps us to take the input of the number. I have used 5 variables, that is I, rem, f, sum and n1. While n greater than 0, rem equal to n modulus 10, f equal to 1. We are going to find the factorial of each number. So, you have to initialize f equal to 1 after the while loop and before the for loop, because factorial of each digit is to be calculated, that's why. For I equal to 1, 1 is less than or equal to rem, I plus plus, f equal to f into I, sum equal to sum plus f, n equal to n slash 10. If sum is double equal to n1, it will print as it is a special number, else it is not a special number. Let us check the program. This is the logic. This whole is the logic. Suppose I have given the input as 145. So the dry run would be 145 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. Rem equal to 145 modulus 10. It will give you 5. F equal to 1. I equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, the condition is true. F equal to 1 into 1. That is 1. 1 is stored in F. I plus plus, I became 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Yeah, the condition is true. F equal to 1 into 2. F was 1. 1 into rem, that is 2, equal to 2. I plus plus. I equal to 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, the condition is true. F equal to, F was 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 is stored in F. I plus plus, I became 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, the condition is true. F equal to, F was 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 is stored in F. I plus plus, I became 5. 5 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, the condition is true. F was 24. 24 into 5, 120. 120 is stored in F. I plus plus, I became 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5. No, the condition is false. Here, the factorial of 5 is done. Factorial of 5 is done and it is stored in sum. Sum equal to, sum was 0 plus f, that is 120. Sum plus equal to 0 plus 120, that is 120 is stored in sum. N equal to 145 slash 10. 14 is stored in n. 14 greater than 0, yeah, the condition is true. Rem equal to 14 modulus 10, 4. F equal to 1, I equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, the condition is true. F equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. I plus plus, I became 2. 2 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, the condition is true. F equal to 1 into 2. I plus plus, I became 3. 3 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, the condition is true. F was
Thanks for watching. Please
2
like,
into 3,
share and subscribe
6.
my channel.
I plus plus, I became 4. 4 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, the condition is true. 6 into 4, 24. 24 is stored in F. I plus plus, I became 5. 5 is less than or equal to 4. No, the condition is false. Till here, the factorial of 4 is done. Sum equal to 120 plus 24, that is 144. N equal to 14 slash 10, that is 1. 1 is greater than 0, yes, the condition is true. Rem equal to 1 modulus 10. 1 is extracted and stored in rem. I equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1, yes, the condition is true. F equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. I equal to 2, 2 is less than or equal to 1. This condition is false. Till here, the factorial of 1 is done. Sum equal to 144 plus 1, that is 145. N equal to 1 slash 10, that is 0. 0 greater than 0, the condition is false. The loop gets terminated and it checks the condition that n1 is double equal to sum. That means 145 is double equal to 145. Yes, this condition is true. It will print as it is a special number. Let us check it. 145. It is a special number.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.